Hello everyone. So we have come up with a new feature which is direct tally integration. So earlier for tally integration, you used to download the report file after mapping the ledger, and then after you needed to upload it on the tally extension in order to upload it on tally. Now we are reducing those steps, and we have provided a direct tally integration feature on Transact. Let me show you how this will be helpful and how it works. So the ledger mapping and invoice approval will be same like before. So for that you need to go to all module, accounting integration, and then after you need to approve the invoices by mapping the ledger. So suppose these are two of my purchase invoices which are in the approved segment. Now I want to send them to Tally. What I need to do? No need to download the report. I will simply open my Tally extension, and please check here my Tally is connected. Click on continue. After that, I will select send voucher data. So please check now here you will get two options, via Excel upload and direct integration as well. So Excel upload is already available. Direct integration is the new part. You need to click on direct integration, select the purchase invoice. Now here you can select and fill the date. Voucher number earlier was mandatory. Now in this release, we have removed the mandatory part from voucher number. So I will leave it as it is and then click on fetch data. So now it is displaying those two purchase invoices which are into my approved list. I will select these two invoices, click on send to Tally. Please check. Here I can go ahead and click and check that these are the two documents which will be sent to Tally. What I will do, I will simply just go ahead and click on send documents to Tally. Please check. Now these two documents are created on Tally. I can simply just go ahead and check the same. Let me go to Tally and show you the same. Please wait. I am just switching my screen to Tally. Now, this is my Tally. So what I will do, I will quickly go to my purchase books. I will go to my purchase register. In my purchase register, please check. This is the October. I went into October. Please check. This is one of the invoice which I sent just now from Tally. So this is how your entire Tally integration will work, and also the status will get updated from approved to completed on Transact. I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you, and it will uh, be much more faster than uploading the Excel file. Have a good day.